So the first time you open up Adobe Premiere, it might seem a little bit intimidating because there's so many different panels and different areas. It almost looks like an airplane cockpit. But one of the ways that I learned how to understand what each one of these sections does was to equate this kind of with a pizza kitchen. All right, let me explain what I mean by that. First of all, let's make sure that we're in the same workspace. If you go to Window, Workspace, the workspace I like to use the most is the Essentials. There's some times where you might see me make a video where I'm using editing, but let's talk about Essentials because that is really the best one in my opinion. Okay, so if this is a pizza kitchen, let's think about this first panel over here. This is called your project panel. And it's kind of like if this were a pizza kitchen, it would be your pantry or your refrigerator where you would store all the ingredients. So over here, I have all these different clips of different videos that I can use. And you can't use anything in your project until you've imported it into your project panel. So it's like a refrigerator. And then everything that you put in here, you can organize it into folders. They're also called bins in Adobe Premiere. So that is another thing that kind of equates it with a refrigerator. And there are other panels that are inside here that you'll use, but we'll go over those later. Let's just keep it simple for now. And then the next place you might work is over here. This is called Source. And this is where you chop things up. So let's say you have a video that maybe is 3 minutes long, but you only want to use 5 seconds of it. You would open it over here in the source and chop up to the piece that you want to use and then just import that section of the video. So the timeline is kind of like your assembly area. It's where you assemble all these ingredients that you have. You drag them down in here into the timeline and you assemble your pizza over here. And then over here on this side, I would say that this is kind of like your spice rack. It's more ingredients that you add. There's special effects and different things that kind of add flavor to your final pizza. And then here in the program, this is kind of like your final thing. This is where you see what all the ingredients you've put together after it's cooked, all your spices, everything. The program shows you what your final piece looks like.